are here on Nepean River in Penrith. Before the water of that up
Yeah,
to
you
here,
can see how wet
the
it is.
road. Now getting low, but still running.
Still filling up. Turn it around, face it that way. That's the highest I've ever seen this river. And apparently 2 nights ago it was even higher still.
Yeah.
But it's not receding, it's not going down.
And it's still look at the clouds.
Yeah, there's
More
more
rain coming.
Yeah, but if you look at how fast the river is running.
Yeah, very fast. What the river?
Warragamba is still releasing
The river? Very fast running on. See the river?
You want to go for a walk down there?
Yeah, let's go walk there. Get close.
Watch where you're stepping.
Let's go. It's the Nepean River. No entry. Ouch! Mud. Mud. Yes. Some people coming here to
There's a road
see.
down there. You see the sign? Parking?
Ah, yeah. You see? There's the road there, but now nothing.
I mean, you can see where the road dips in.
Yeah. Yeah, that's road. That's the road, but full of water. Yeah. I'm trying to get close. There. That's the road, but full of water. And the parking sign there for the car. There. That's the road.
Up another couple of metres up there.
Yeah, you just see the way it's running though.
Oh, you can see the debris over there.
Yeah. I know.
Because non-stop raining here for almost 3 weeks. At least now, no rain. That's why more people looking here to see what's happening here. No road now there. Nothing. This is the parking space when you can go there and picnic. But now nothing. See. And that house is there before. That's flood over there. They evacuate there. All the people living there evacuate few days. Now they came back again because the water going down. It will not rain again. It will continue to go down. But I think the clouds still having rain.
Have a look at this sign.
Yeah, that's the sign. Oh my God. See, the sign for parking.
And the street lights.
Okay.
These are street lights. Solar street lights. Don't drop your phone.
No, there, the sign for parking.
And across the
And
other
the
side.
street light there. Oh my God, there. Look at the street light. Almost up. And that's the road there.
That's where it comes
That's
out.
the road over there, but no, no more. We can
What a
park.
mess. What a mess.
We're still wild water. Oh my God. There's people walking. Okay, that's happening.
I think that's
Looking.
enough.
I think no more water coming, no rain coming. I don't know.
We don't want any more rain.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
let's
let's
go.
go.